section formula. In this chapter we shall study about section formula. We shall find the coordinates of the point which divides internally or externally the line segment joining the two given points. In a given ratio, this is m1 and ratio m2, we shall also find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining two points and the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle. So first, section formula: x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the section formula for internally. If externally, then x comma y is equal to m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2, comma m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2. If externally, okay, then we will put minus sign here, minus sign. Okay, now midpoint formula. Midpoint formula कुछ नहीं है. Midpoint formula is if m1 ratio m2 is equal to 1 ratio 1. If m1 ratio m2 is equal to 1 ratio 1. For example, this is the line. These are the joining point and this is the midpoint. So m1 ratio m2 is 1 ratio 1. So this is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2, and this is the division point. This is called x comma y. So x comma y is equal to, put m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 1 in this section formula. If m1 is 1 and m2 is 1, then x1 plus x2 upon 1 plus 1 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the section formula and midpoint formula. Okay, now we will come to the centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. What is the centroid of the triangle? Centroid of the triangle. Do you know about centroid of the triangle? Anyone tell me? Centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle, the point where the medians of the triangles meet is called the centroid of the triangle. Again, I repeat again, the point where the medians of the triangle meet is called the centroid of the triangle. Medians, जहां पर medians मिलते हैं triangle के, देखते हैं. This is the median, this is the median, and this is the median. They meet at a point. This is called centroid of the triangle. Okay, this is called centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle divide these medians into 1 ratio 2 or 2 ratio 1. Okay, so centroid of the triangle is x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma 3 upon 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This is the point x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So centroid of the triangle is equal to x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Okay. Now come to the questions. First question is, I will explain first question based on section formula. Okay. Question number 1 is, for example, calculate the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining A minus 3 comma 3, A minus 3 comma 3 and B 2 comma minus 7. Then, and the ratio is given. Ratio is 2:3. Find the division point. So figure draw करते हैं. This is A is 3 minus 3 comma 3. These are the joining point 2 comma minus 7. Joining point is called x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Okay. Here is the division point P. You will find the P value of P x comma y and ratio is given 2:3. So this is m1 and this is m2. So by section formula x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole upon m1 plus m2 comma y m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole upon m1 plus m2. Put the value of m1 m2 x1 x2, all the values. M1, your m1 is 2 multiply x2 is 2 plus m2 is 3 and x1 is minus 3 whole upon m1 plus m2 2 plus 3 comma y1 m1 is 2 y2 is minus 7 plus m2 is 3 and y1 is 3 whole upon 2 plus 3. Okay, now this is 2 to the 4 minus 9 upon 5 comma minus 14 plus 9 upon 5. This is equal to 4 minus 9 minus 5 upon 5 minus 1 comma minus 14 plus 9 okay, minus 14 plus 9, this is also minus 5 upon 5 minus 1. So this is minus 1 comma minus 1. These are the dividing point x comma y. Okay, so hope you all will satisfied with this lecture. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.